I'm kind of old school and I don't use Microsoft Word too often. I actually use WordPad. This is an old Windows 10 machine that I have lying around. It's actually a MacBook Pro 2013, which I repurposed with Windows 10. And if I go over here, I have an old iMac from 2011, which I repurposed for a Windows 2000, Windows 11. But the problem here is I typed in WordPad, and at some point, Microsoft decided we don't want to support WordPad anymore, which I kind of understand because, well, it works, but you don't want people using something that's free. So they removed it at some point, maybe sometime in 2025. I don't know the timeline. But thankfully, someone has a write-up on here to reinstall it. So here's the URL that you can follow. Sorry about the screen, it's going wonky. I'll put it in the description. I haven't tried that solution yet, but I'm pretty sure 99% it will work. So it mentions that you need to find the binary files from the installation ISO for Windows 11. They had a link to get it from, but then it mentions like having to, what do you call it, do some stuff to it. So I don't know. I ended up finding on archive.org the ISO file, which hopefully is safe. I'll also keep that link on there too. Sorry. Again, my phone's really acting wonky. Maybe because I'm shaking like a old senior citizen over here. But anyways, that link will provide a way for you to download the ISO file. You can just click on this ISO image over here and it will let you download it. And then you have to extract the file using something like 7-zip. And so that's the way you can possibly reinstall Windows WordPad. And so it's really annoying that they deleted it.